today I'm staying at the BOCEAN Resort right here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. The BOCEAN Resort is located right on the beach, and there are 4 buildings, 3 restaurants, 2 pools, and 1 cafe and 1 bar in the lobby. This place is super cool. There are a ton of amenities, but one fun fact is that both Marilyn Monroe and Robert De Niro both stayed here at one point. So we're staying in the master suite, which is also the penthouse, room 1704, which is on the 7th floor, and I want to give you a tour. Come follow me. So here we are in the living area. We have the most amazing view of the ocean. You can see the water, the sands, the volleyball courts. You overlook literally everything there is to do outside. In the living area, you also have a flat screen TV, a couch for lounging around on, and a little coffee table area. And if you follow me over here, we also have a bar, kind of kitchen area with a full sink, a mini fridge, and some coffee for your mornings. This is the bedroom. As you can see, we have this huge, tall, and very comfortable bed. And once again, we are greeted with an amazing ocean view window. Check out this shower. This is hands down the coolest shower I've ever taken a shower in. We have an overhead, we have a handheld shower head, and then we have jets on both sides. The shower also comes with shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and body lotion both in here, and they gave us a display on the sink. But like I said, favorite shower all time. So there's a long hallway that leads you back to another bathroom. So in here, again, we have a whole nother shower, another toilet, and another mirror with, again, same shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and body lotion. To sum everything up, the stay here at the BOCEAN Resort has been beyond amazing. The amenities are so cool, the building has such a nice vibe, the restaurants have been delicious, this room is stunning, and the staff is so kind and so friendly. I literally can only say amazing things about this place. Let's go check out some of the amenities and take a tour of the restaurants and what else this cool hotel has to offer. A cute little bruschetta toast with a white chocolate mocha, so cheers! So we are on the first floor in the lobby of the Clipper building, and the cool thing about this is if you check out the artwork all around the place, they're on consignment, so they rotate them every so often, and they're also for sale. They have scanners so you can scan them and see the price so you can purchase them.
You are in the oldest underwater burlesque show in the United States!
We are right now at the pool that overlooks the ocean, and as you'll see behind me, there's the Salty SIREN, which is a bar. They also have snacks and obviously really good music. We are now at the BOCEAN Resort Gym. It's really nice. They have ellipticals, treadmills, free weights, bicycle, complimentary headphones, towels, wet towels, water bottles, water fountain, a scale, really everything you could really need. So I'm gonna get my quick workout on. Located in the BOCEAN Resort, and it's super cute here. There's a chalkboard art everywhere, neon signs, and the staff is super friendly, and I can't wait for this dinner. My stay at BOCEAN Resort has been absolutely amazing. Thank you so much to BOCEAN Resort for having us this weekend. And always remember, be you and be yourself.